Celeriac is, it's in the family, it's in the celery family. It's not actually celery. It's a different...
Because it's also known as celery root, but you're
Yes.
saying it's not the actual root of the celery plant.
No, it's not the same celery you buy in the
Interesting.
grocery store.
Right.
It's grown for this. So it's through it. It has a similar flavor to celery. It's a little, not quite as bitter, a little sweet. It peels, the smaller ones are more tender. The bigger ones get a little woody, more like a turnip.
That tends to be the case in the food world in general. Would you say that? That
A
the
lot of
bigger,
times.
the more tough it tends to be.
And then you're going to peel this like you would peel a pineapple.
Like a pineapple.
Yeah,
okay, that's
you
a
wouldn't
great way
use
to think about it.
You wouldn't use a peeler for this. You'd
Right,
use,
it's a
definitely
little
use
bit too
knife.
tough.
Yep.
I get that. Same thing with a pineapple.
And you can roast this. This is a phenomenal fall vegetable. I mean, I love root vegetables. This is probably my favorite.
I'm a big fan of it as well. It smells so good. It really smells like
Absolutely.
celery. Yeah.
And you can roast this, you can pan fry this, you can mash this. That's probably the most common way, which we're doing now.
That's what we're going to do today. Okay, great.
You can mash it on its own, that's fine. I like to pair it with potatoes, it just softens it up a little bit. If you wanted to do it home style, which we're doing today, use a mixer. If you wanted to make it a little more creamy, you could use a food processor or a blender.
So you really get it nice and smooth.